So today we are going to change the roller of VW T5. As you can see, this one is just like scratching the metal because the roller itself doesn't touch, doesn't even turn. So all it does slides on the metal rather than slides on the roller. This is a common problem with this T5.1. So I bought one of these roller from eBay. I think it's 10, 15 or 20 pounds. I can't exactly remember. You don't really need to buy the very expensive one because they literally do the same job. And if this fails again after a year or two, I just simply change it again. I know some people pays it like £80 from VW, something like that. It's just no point really. Today is a very windy day, so hopefully we can record this. So first thing we need to do, we need to support the door, because we are going to remove this one and that one off first, and then this bolt and this bolt off, so we can take this bracket off. Then we can basically put the new replacement one. So while we at it, we're gonna clean it a little bit and re-grease it. I will use a marine grease, water resistant grease, so hopefully that will protect it a bit better. So yeah, let's get on with it. First thing first, support the door. Spline kit from Amazon, I can put the link, about 15 quid. These are really good. I mean, if you're doing anything with VW, you definitely need one of these sets. So these are the socket splines. I'll show you what it looks like. The one you need 8mm spline socket. So you might have something like this. These are not splines, so don't get confused and try to use one of these. I think spline got like 12 edges, and these are like 6 or something. So this might fit there, but if you try to undo it with these ones, you will ruin the head. So don't try with this. You need definitely a spline like this. Okay, let's not going to lift the door. We're literally going to hold it in place. It is quite windy day today, so hopefully, right. So this is literally holding the door about like a couple of millimeters high. Then you know what it would do normally. So come over this side, mate. So we're going to remove these bolts. Ideally you probably need someone to hold the door just in case, but I am hoping this won't move. It does move though, isn't it? So what we're gonna do, this is not a good idea. I need to support it with something else, because we don't want the door to go. Okay, so I'm back. This is so this is much better. Feels like holding it rather than going left and right and back and forward. So as I said, I did loosen these bolts slightly. They wasn't tight anyway. Okay, this one's off. This one's off. With our little bolts. So that means I can get this slide off that way, and I can remove these bolts. I actually rushing to do this before my wife comes because we need to go somewhere in a minute. She's gonna tell me, why are you doing this now? And I don't want to come and punch me or something. Someone has to do it, don't they, Leo? Kiss. Now, can you come down a bit with that? So this thingamajiggy holds this guy in place. So this comes off like this. So what happens when you slide it, it goes in here and locks it. So we're gonna put grease around here too. Yeah, so let's have a look what happened to this. Can you see the flat bottom? Let's compare together. So this one's got spring. I have no idea what that's spring for. Right. Okay. See the difference? Top bit is fine, but as you can see, the bolt in the middle collapse doesn't turn because it's got rusted, and obviously when it stopped turning, it's just made a flat surface underneath. So this is the rubbish now. Okay, that will go. Okay, so got this spray. Come on with this side here. This is like a bit cleaning. I recently greased it, to be honest. It's not a good idea it wasn't a good idea to do that, but as I'm going to re-grease it, just clean it as much as I can again. You can clean it with brake cleaner, or this is just like what is it called? Car cleaner type of product, just for the cream and anything mucky, just helps it. You can even use like a fairy liquid if you don't have anything like that. Okay, I think this is clean enough for me. What do you reckon? I will have to paint this scratch bit at some point, but we haven't got time today. So first thing first, what we're gonna do, this spring here, we don't know what that is. If anyone knows it, let us know. I think it goes here, but and there's a bolt holder. This one has no spring. We're not going to use the spring today because I don't know how to use it, to be honest. If I figure out, if anyone knows, please let me know. So what we're going to do, get some grease around this roller and the top rollers. Okay, like this. Yep, this is a marine grease. I use it for my boat. It's a waterproof grease. I don't know if it's any good for this type of thing, but a dollop of grease here, like grease it up, baby. And top channel as well as bottom. So yes, this door was very stiff. My kids used to struggle, except Leo. You managed it, didn't you, Leo? Open it and shut it.
Yeah.
Bit difficult though. So what we're gonna do, obviously I need to put this down. Which way does it go? That way? I think so. I think this is how it goes. What does it go that way? Yeah. It's running a bit. It's running there. Just grease that channel a bit more. Seems to be alright. Yeah, where it locks, spring, it goes back like this. Drop this down because we don't need the we don't need it anymore. See if it's gonna fall down or not. Nope, let's do it there. Holding it right. Right, first try. Do it slowly first. Much smoother, much smoother.
It's leaking a lot.
A lot smoother than how it was. You try, mate. Pull the door handle first. Yes, it's moving perfect to there. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's turning. Nice. Yeah, very happy with it. And that's the job done.
It doesn't hold, I think
That's it.
Oh.
Yeah, you just need to click on that bobble a bit at the end. Alright, that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching.